Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Evaluate the following. In this question, we will use the values of trigonometric ratios for different standard angles from 0 degree to 90 degrees, like values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. And using values of trigonometric ratios for these different standard angles, we are going to evaluate different expressions as given in the question. So let's evaluate first expression given in first part. It is given as sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees. By putting the values of these trigonometric ratios for angles 30 degrees and 60 degrees, we will simplify and get the value of this expression. So sin 60 degree value root 3 by 2 into cos 30 degree value also root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 degree value 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree value 1 by 2. So this way we have substituted the values of sin 30 degrees, 60 degrees and cos 30 degrees and cos 60 degrees in the given expression, and now we have to simplify. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equal to 1. And this is the answer for this first part. We have evaluated first part and got 1. Now second part. 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. This expression we are given. Now we have to evaluate this expression by putting the values of trigonometric ratios involved here for given standard angles. So this is equal to 2 into tan square 45 degree. Tan 45 degree value is 1. So 2 into 1 square plus cos 30 degree value is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin square 60 degree. Sin 60 degree value is root 3 by 2 whole square. So root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square cancelled here only, and 2 into 1 square is 2 into 1. So ultimately 2, and this is the value of 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. Now third part. Cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 30 degrees. So let's put values of trigonometric ratios here in this given expression. Cos 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. Sec 30 degree value, sec is reciprocal of cos. Cos 30 degree value root 3 by 2. So sec 30 degree value 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 degree value is 2, and this is equal to 1 by root 2 divided by, let us simplify this denominator, 2 by root 3 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. This is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3, and this is equal to root 3 divided by root 2 into, from here take 2 common, so into 2 into 1 plus root 3. Further this can be written root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. let us rationalize this root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. So multiply numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 into root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. What we have done? We are actually rationalizing this root 3 plus 1 in the denominator. So we have multiplied numerator and denominator both by root 3 minus 1. So root 3 into root 3, 3 minus root 3 into 1, root 3, divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, and this is equal to 3 minus root 3 divided by 3 minus 1, 2 into 2, 4 root 2, 4 root 2. Again let us rationalize this root 2 in the denominator, and for that we need to multiply both numerator and denominator by root 2. So let us multiply numerator and denominator both by root 2. Now root 2 into 3, 3 root 2 minus root 2 into root 3, root 6, divided by root 2 into root 2, 2 into 4, 8, and this is the value of this given expression in third part. Fourth part, sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degrees. So let us evaluate this expression. Sin 30 degree value 1 by 2 plus tan 45 degree value 1 minus cosec 60 degree value 2 by root 3. Divided by sec 30 degree value 2 by root 3 plus cos 60 degree value 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree value 1. This is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3. This is equal to, let's solve numerator by taking LCM. We can find root 3 into 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 divided by 2 root 3, and numerator LCM is 2 root 3, 3 into root 3 into 3, 3 root 3 plus 2 into 2, 4. This 2 root 3 cancel. So we are getting 3 root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now let us rationalize this expression by multiplying both numerator and denominator by root 3 minus 4. So this is equal to 3 plus root 3 minus 4 by 3 root 3 plus 4. Now we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 3 root 3 minus 4 and 3 root 3 minus 4. Numerator is 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square, divided by denominator using a square minus b square, we will get 3 root 3 whole square minus 4 whole square. This is equal to 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. Using a minus b whole square formula, we will expand this 3 root 3 minus 4 whole square. So 3 root 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 plus 4 square, divided by 3 root 3 whole square 27 minus 16. This is equal to 3 root 3 whole square 27 minus 2 3 is 4, 2 into 3 into 4, 24 root 3 plus 16 divided by 27 minus 16, 11. 27 plus 16, 43 minus 24 root 3 divided by 11, and this is the answer.